Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is a government scheme launched on 9th May 2015 by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. It intends to provide an affordable insurance scheme for the poor and underprivileged people in the age group of 18 to 70 years with a bank account at a premium of rupees 12 per annum. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana provides an insurance policy to the people belonging to the underprivileged section of society. The scheme is administered by insurance companies from both the private and public sectors. Some of the benefits provided by the scheme are mentioned below. The Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana offers a life cover of rupees 2 lakhs for 1 year to all its account holders. This life cover is provided in case of accidental death or permanent disability. A life cover of rupees 1 lakh is provided to the beneficiary in case of partial disability. This scheme can be availed by any individual aged between 18 years to 70 years. In case of the death of the account holder, the benefits of the scheme can be availed by his or her nominee. The scheme provides an annual premium of rupees 12 per annum per number. This premium is auto-debited in one installment on or before 1st June of every year. Average of rupees 2 lakh for accidental death and full disability and rupees 1 lakh for partial disability. Any individual must follow the below mentioned criteria to be eligible for the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Any individual aged between 18 years to 70 years are eligible to apply for the scheme. She must have a bank account along with their phone number linked to the account. The individual should submit their Aadhaar details while applying for the scheme. These Aadhaar details will be linked with their bank account. If any individual has multiple bank accounts of one or different banks, then he or she will be eligible to join the scheme through one bank account only. In the case of a joint account, the scheme benefits can be availed by all the bank account holders. In the case of an NRI beneficiary, the claim benefits will only be provided to the nominee in Indian currency. As per Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, any accidental death, murder or disability due to natural calamities is covered under this scheme, whereas any suicidal death is not covered under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Also, the family members will not be provided with any benefits in case of suicidal deaths. Stop.